Wow, what an amazing toy playground! Look at all the colorful slides and paint. A little white tractor. What's it going to do? Go, tractor, go! Vroom, vroom, up the ramp! All the colorful tractors look so cool, ready to go. Ready, set, go! Whee! Down the slide. Into the red paint, splash! Where did it go? Is it coming out soon? Ta-da! It's a cool red tractor now. Now it's Blue's turn. Whee! Down the slide. Splish, splash, into the blue. I wonder, what will it look like? Ta-da! It's a bright blue tractor. Okay, time for yellow. Go, go, go! Whee! Into the yellow paint, splash! Yellow, I bet it's super shiny. Ta-da! A shiny yellow tractor, so pretty. Next up, green. Down the slide it goes, whee! Splish! Into the green paint, splash! I'm so excited for the green one. Ta-da! A fresh green tractor, awesome! Last one, orange. Ready, set, slide. Into the orange paint. This is the last one. Orange will be the best one, right? Ta-da! Here comes the cheerful orange tractor. Look, the red, blue, and yellow tractors are together. And here are the green and orange ones too. Wow, they're all playing. Vroom, vroom. So shiny. I love their new colors. See you next time, 5 friends. Bye-bye.
Hey, ho! Happy playground, what a treat. Little white tractors can't be beat. Hey! Down the curvy slide we go. Whee! Splash into the paint so red you see. What new color will it be? A shiny red tractor, yay for me. Down the curvy slide we go. Whee! Splash into the paint so blue you see. What new color will it be? A cool blue tractor, yay for me. Down the curvy slide we go. Whee! Splash into the paint so yellow you see. What new color will it be? A bright yellow tractor, yay for me. Down the curvy slide we go. Whee! Splash into the paint so green you see. What new color will it be? A lovely green tractor, yay for me. Down the curvy slide we go. Whee! Splash into the paint so orange you see. What new color will it be? A happy orange tractor, yay for me. Hey, hey! All the colors, 5 good friends. Vroom, 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 the fun never ends.
Wow, look at all the cool RC cars ready to race. Let's go. The red tractor is first. Vroom, vroom. Its lights are on. Go, red tractor, go! Kicking up so much dust. Zoom! He's going so fast on the bumpy road. Whee! Into the mud. Splash! What a huge splash! The big wheels are digging deep. Chugga, chugga. So strong. Climbing the big hill. You can do it. Go! He made it! Parking perfectly. Good job, red tractor. Now it's the green tractor's turn. Steady and ready. Look at him go, so smooth and steady, so cool. Right through the water, swish. He's not scared of mud. Splash, splash, I'm driving the tractor. This is so fun. Up the hill he goes, chug, 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 almost there. Parked right next to his friend. Now there are two. The blue tractor is a rocket. Whoosh, so much dust. He's super fast, a blue flash, noom. No slowing down for the mud, kaboom! Wow, that was the biggest splash ever, so awesome. Powering up the hill, what amazing power, vroom! 3 tractors all in a row, so colorful. Here comes the little orange truck, beep beep, let's go. Bouncing along the road, he's on a mission. Oh no, the mud looks deep. Be careful, little truck. He did it! He got out of the sticky mud. Yay! He's trying so hard to climb the hill. You can do it! Mission complete. The little truck is safe and sound. Here comes the giant JCB. Rumble, rumble. So big! Stomp, stomp, stomp. The ground is shaking. He's a monster! The mud is no problem for the JCB. He just squishes it. Look at his giant wheels push the water. So powerful. Climbing the hill is super easy for him. Wow! The JCB is parked. Now all 5 are together. They all made it. Look at them, all covered in mud. The great RC race is over. Time for a rest.
Colorful RC friends gather all around. An exciting race begins. Are you ready for the sound? Start your mower, spin your wheels, let the dust fly free. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Shout it out with me. Brave red tractor rushes forward on its way. On the bumpy, dusty dirt road, hip, hip, hooray! Hooray! Muddy puddles are no problem, makes a big splash. Splishy splash. Up the hill he climbs with power, parks right in a flash. Success! Strong green tractor chugs along, steady and so true. Chug it, chug. On the winding country road, me and all of you. Doesn't fear the sticky mud, goes right through the goo. Swishy swish. Up the hill he climbs so proudly, parked right next to you. Success! Blue tractor is like lightning, flashing on the track. Faster than the wind can blow, there's no turning back. Zoom, zoom. Through the puddle in a second with a mighty crack. Up the hill he climbs so quickly, never looking back. Success! Orange truck is small but mighty, hear his happy horn. Beep, beep. Little wheels are spinning fast since the early morn. Mud is tricky, he struggles but he's newly born. Hooray! Up the hill he climbs so bravely, never feels forlorn. Success! Yellow digger marches forward, big and strong and grand. Stop, stop. Makes the ground begin to tremble all across the land. Stop, stop, stop. Puddle's just a tiny toy, pushes it with his hand. Yeehaw! Up the hill the final hero parks just as he planned. Success! All our friends have reached the finish, what a happy sight. Covered up in mud and glory, shining ever so bright. Now the super race is over, let's all take a rest. See you next time, RC friends, you all are the best.
Wow, a colorful toy playground. Ta-da! Here's the cool yellow excavator. Down the slide, whee! Thump. Let's dig the sand. Dig, dig, dig. What's that blue thing? We need help. Red crane truck to the rescue. Easy does it. Attach the hook. Click. Heave ho! The police car is out. Oh no! So sandy! Quick, to the car wash. Splish, splash! Time for a cool shower. Wow! So shiny and clean now. Wee-woo! Okay, let's find the next friend. Look, a red ladder this time. The mighty crane truck lifts it up. The fire truck is messy too. Let's wash it. Clean every little spot. Swoosh! Let's dig even deeper. Go, go, go! Oh, I see white and an orange stripe. Come on out! Ambulance rescued! Ooh, a dusty ambulance! Hurry up! Squeaky clean! It's so bright! Where could the last friend be? I found it! The little yellow taxi sign! One last pull, all the way up! Taxi, you need a bath right now! Wow! It's bright yellow like a flower! Good job today, rescue team! Everyone's together, so shiny and awesome! Thank you! Blink, blink, hunk, hunk! And peace returned to the playground. Bye-bye!
Say! Let's start digging in the sand! Where are all our toy friends hiding? Diggy dig, I see something blue. A police car is peeking through. The mighty crane truck pulls it out. Let's wash it clean and splash about. Now we see a flash of red. It's a fire truck stuck in bed. Pull it up now, 1, 2, 3. Make it sparkle clean and free. Look, the white and orange van stuck inside our sandy plan. We must help it right away and wash the dirt and sand away. Last one is the taxi yellow, such a happy little fellow. Let's all pull it from the ground so it can drive all over town. All our friends are here to play. Let's have fun now, hip you parade.
A bright and cheerful toy playground. A lonely gray excavator. A strong gray bulldozer. A quiet gray dump truck. And a gray cement mixer. Look, it's starting to move. Rattle, rattle, to the red slide. From the top. Go! Whoosh! Into the red tunnel. Ta-da! A shiny red excavator. Its arm moves round and round. Rumble, rumble, the bulldozer moves. Heave, ho, it's at the top. Slip and slide into the yellow slide. Yay! A bright yellow bulldozer. The strong bulldozer pushes blocks. The dump truck goes to the blue slide. Vroom, vroom, the wheels spin fast. Zip into the blue tunnel. Hooray! A cool blue dump truck. Clatter, clatter, out come the blocks. Now for the cement mixer. It's at the top of the green slide. Roll and tumble into the tunnel. Wow! A fresh and green mixer truck. Its mixing drum is spinning. Whir! They all found their colors. The red excavator is dancing. The yellow bulldozer wiggles. The green mixer is spinning again. They are all moving blocks. Beep beep races the dump truck. Playing together in a circle. The playground is full of joy. The sun is setting now. Good night, everyone. Play again soon.
In our playground, sun so bright, live the little toy friends. But their colors gone from sight, they are only gray friends. Up the big red slide so high, excavator slides down whoosh, through the tunnel in a flash, shiny red, what a rush. Yellow dozer strong and true, here's the dump truck honking blue. Green cement mixer spin, 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 let the happy fun begin. Ba, 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 ba. Red and yellow, green and blue, we have found our colors new. Playing all together now, happy friends we take a bow.
Oh no! They're stuck in the big gooey mud puddle. Wow! Splash! Go, dump truck, go! Look, the police cars are going to play on the seesaw. Up and down, up and down. Whee! This is so fun. They're at the very top of the giant sand mountain. Wow! Here they go, sliding down the sand. So fast. The little red mail truck is ready to swing. Swinging back and forth. So relaxing. Climb, climb, climb! The brave fire truck is going up. Whee! Down the slide we go. That was quick. Into the dark tunnel. What's inside? The excavator is on the bouncy elephant. Ready to jump. Boing, boing, boing. Jump up high. Catch me if you can. It's a super fast chase. Swoosh! Down the red slide in a flash. Again, let's ride the long green slide. The bulldozer is going to climb the wall. You can do it. Heave ho! Climbing higher and higher. Yay! We made it to the top of the world. The trains are taking a cool bath in the stream. Splash! Cool and refreshing, the water feels so nice. Charge! The ambulance is splashing through the water. It's a giant bouncy trampoline. Ready, set, jump! Higher and higher! I'm flying in the sky. Jump! The cool police bike is hopping over the logs. Whoa! What a magnificent super jump! The garbage truck is going on a zipline adventure. Here I go, flying through the air like a superhero. Police car versus fire truck. Who will win? Kickoff. The game begins now.
Yellow dump truck, ambulance so white, splish and splash in the muddy puddle brown. We cannot move, but it's alright. The best car friends in this whole town. Police car seesaw up so high. Excavator wishes down the sandy hill. Postal van is swinging to the clear blue sky. Brave fire truck is sliding. What a thrill! Bulldozer is climbing, heave-ho up the wall. Shinkansen is splashing, having a ball. Patrol car is bouncing, boing, boing, boing. Jumping super high, let's all sing. Motorcycle leaping, watch it go so fast. Garbage truck is ziplining, what a blast. Time for soccer, ready, set, and play. This has been the very bestest day. Playground friends, it's time to go now.
Rumble. Boom! Oh no, a big storm is coming. Wee-woo! Wee-woo! Emergency! Time for our mission. Pitter-patter. This shortcut looks dangerous. Screech! Crash! Help! The ramp collapsed! I'm stuck! Vroom! Splash! Hang on, we're coming to help. Screech! Flash! There you are. We see you. Clank. Okay, hooked on. Now, pull. Grr, pop! You're free! We did it! Swish, gurgle, look out! The water is rising. It's a flood. Whoosh! Help! We're being washed away! Splash! We're trapped down here. We can't get out. Vroom! Look, our little friends need help down there. Swoosh! Easy does it. Almost there. Heave-ho! Got you! You're both safe now. Creak! Snap! Whoa! The bridge is breaking! Wobble! Wobble! Help me! I'm going to fall! Vroom! Don't worry, friend. We're here. Click! Clink! I'll push. You pull. Grr! All together now. Pull! Thump! You're safe! We did it! Swoosh! Now there's a blizzard in the mountains. Screech! Boof! Oh no! I crashed into the snow! Blink! Blink! I'm stuck! I can't get out! Crunch! Crunch! We're coming even through the snow! Shine! We see you! We're here to help! Click! Okay, the chains are on. Ready? Thwomp! You're free! We saved everyone! Hooray! The storm is over. Time for a victory parade!
Dark clouds gather, thunder rolls in our little diorama world. A mighty storm is taking hold, a story waiting to unfold. A red fire truck on a rusty ramp, trying to get back to the station camp. With a curse-style crack and a twisted trap. Wheels are spinning, there's no turning back. Alarm bell rings, the garage door flies. Red and yellow heroes rise. Hear the call through the wind and rain. Two brave tractors, a mighty chain. Headlights cutting through the dark, leaving tire tracks making their mark. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. Tiny scooter, a van of green, swept away in a watery scene. Down in the drain, they can't break free. A tiny cry, come rescue me. Then a crane truck sways on a bridge of wood, dangling high where it shouldn't have stood. Hear the call through the wind and rain. Two brave tractors, a mighty chain. Headlights cutting through the dark, leaving tire tracks making their mark. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. The storm gets worse, a blizzard's might. A purple pickup lost in white, buried deep in a drift of snow. No way out, nowhere to go. But through the storm, two engines roar, ready now for one storm more. Hear the call through the wind and snow. Two brave tractors, watch them go. Headlights cutting through the white, shining oh so very bright. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue clouds all part, the sun shines bright, all the toys are safe tonight. Driving home in a victory line, everyone is feeling fine. Side by side